If you ever feel completely overwhelmed by your endless to-do list, then this Priority Task Organiser is exactly for you. It's designed to help you stop wasting time on those low-value tasks and refocus your efforts onto something that means more. In today's walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how it works, how you can use it to structure your day, and how it ties into a really powerful productivity framework that can help you manage your tasks. Hi, I'm Raminder, and I'm a financial modeler with more than 15 years of experience, where I've helped clients gain clarity and efficiency in their life and business through smart spreadsheets and tools. Before I take you through the spreadsheet, I just want to give you a quick overview of the Eisenhower Matrix, which is the framework that is used in the Task Organiser. Also referred to as the Urgent Important Matrix, it's a really simple method that helps you sort out your tasks into 4 key categories. For tasks that are both important and urgent, do these first. These are usually tasks that are time sensitive or have consequences if you don't complete them by a certain time. So for example, it could be fixing a customer problem at work, or it could be submitting a report by a certain deadline. For tasks that are not important but are urgent, delegate these where possible. These are tasks that need to be done right now but don't really contribute to your long-term goals. And these are usually tasks that can be done by somebody else, like doing your admin work or hosting a meeting. For tasks that are important but not urgent, schedule these into your calendar. These are tasks that will move your life forward but don't necessarily need to be done right now. So it could be, for example, planning your content for your business, or it could be your fitness routine. And if a task is not important or not urgent, consider removing or reducing. These are tasks that don't need to be done right now and don't really help you in the long term. So it could be things like endless scrolling or meaningless binge watching. So now we know about the Eisenhower Matrix, let's head over to the Task Organiser. Let's head to the Start Here tab. You'll find a summary of the Eisenhower Matrix at the top, followed by some step-by-step instructions. We're going to be covering these instructions in today's video, but these are just here for your quick reference. Then if we head over to the Task Organiser sheet, in the top left-hand corner you'll find that we can update the dates, enter the day that you want to start the week. So let's do Monday, enter your month, I'm going to do August, and select the year 2025. You'll notice that the calendar has automatically updated and the current day is also highlighted. You'll also notice that there's some sections at the top where you can enter some goals, your inspiration, and any thoughts and notes that you might want to add. And then we just need to enter our tasks, which is going to be in this section here. We have a flag here to highlight the status. We enter our task into here and then simply flag whether it's urgent, important, both or none. We also have a due date here. This doesn't really drive any charts, but this is just more for your reference. So we have listed our tasks and flagged their urgency and importance. And the spreadsheet has automatically sorted these into the relevant categories. In this section, as you go along, you can update the status, which will feed the progress chart above. You'll also notice that we have these coloured squares. They will update in accordance with the urgency or the importance category, so you can just have a look at everything at a glance. And then we head over to the priority categories. So as you can see, we've got our 4 main categories based on the Eisenhower Matrix categories, and then it's simply a case of just checking these off as you complete them. And as you tick them off, the charts update and then they are crossed off the list. And then you'll notice on the task list itself, they've also been crossed out here and flagged as complete, and then the chart here has been updated. So now we have listed our tasks, the spreadsheet has categorised them for us, now it's about actioning them. Here are 3 quick tips to help you get started. I do have another video where I go into a bit more detail about this, and I'll link that to the end of this one. So tip number 1 is to start with the immediate category and choose the top 3 tasks. Even if you do nothing else, these are the tasks that are going to help you make progress. Tip number 2 is to batch similar tasks together. So for example, doing your emails all at once or having a whole day dedicated to creative work. This keeps you focused and in flow rather than feeling scattered. Tip number 3 is to do a regular review. This can be done every day or every week. Just look over your list, see what's been done, what slipped through, and how you can improve the next time. For those of you who have already purchased my task organiser, a huge thank you to you, it means so much. And for those who would like to get hold of one, there is a link in the description box below, along with some book recommendations that will help you along too. I release videos every single week, so if you found this helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button and join me for future tools and tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.